Good morning, students. Here we start chapter 3 of computer of class first, that is uses of computers. Computer is present everywhere, helping us in making our work easier and faster. Now let us discuss some places where computers are used. In schools, children use computers to play games and to learn subjects. Information can be presented in a more interesting way on a computer by combining text with sound and pictures. This may make learning more interesting. Computers can be used to demonstrate tasks that are very difficult or impossible to show. For example, the movement of the earth and the moon can be shown on the screen. This can be used to study day and night phases of the moon and eclipse. Students and scientists rely on computer to do complex calculations and to solve complicated problems. Pages of books and magazines can be designed on the computers. The size and style of text on a pages or position of illustration can be changed on the screen. This will take very long and will be tedious if done by an artist without a computer. In office, computers are used in the offices for writing letters, reports, etc. Clothes can be designed on the computer and tried out on a model on the screen itself. Alteration can be carried out on the screen to get the final design. Design of a house or interior decoration of a house can be done by computers. Do you want to see how your room will look in different colors? No problem, you can see it in as many colors as you want on screen and then select the one you like. Do you want to see which arrangement of furniture will look best in your sitting room? You can easily see the different arrangement of the computer screen. At railway stations and airports, booking and reservation of tickets is done with the help of computers at railway stations and airports. Also nowadays, computerized machines are used extensively for security checking. In hospitals, doctors used computers to diagnose the disease of patient, medication and treatment. Healthcare professionals review and prescribe medication using electronic health record. They also used apps and software programs to manage patient records. This technology can not only boost staff's efficiency but it also help to prevent human error. After a medical facility has assigned an identification number to a patient, staff can retrieve all information about that patient from a secure database. Computers can also document treatment, medication, and care recommendations. Mobile device apps help nurses update patient records using treatment and diagnostic codes as opposed to whiteboards and paper charts. Doctors use computers to manage and record patient information, which can help them to make a more accurate diagnosis, especially if multiple doctors are working with the same patient. Nurses can also use technology to perform routine health checks such as oxygen level and blood pressure. Results automatically saved to an electronic database, ensuring that they are both accurate and readily available for other staff involved in the patient's treatment. There are thousands of people in the United States who do not have access to adequate health care. Technology has bridge the gap between low income patient and doctor. Thank you.